Welcome back to my channel Code Vibe. In today's video I will show you how you can display your logos on different devices. Like you can add a different logo on desktop and you can add also a different logo on mobile devices. So I'll show you step by step how you can get this feature in your store. So keep watching this video at the end. So guys, to get this logo feature on your Shopify store, the first step is you need to open your Shopify admin dashboard. I have already opened my dashboard. So here, click on the left side online store. Click online store, and after that, so is after clicking your online store, you can see here all the themes of your website. So if you're using a development store or demo store, you can edit your live theme. Nothing will happen. But if your website is live, then you need to duplicate your live theme. Then you add a changes of your duplicate theme, because if you edit your live theme and your website is live, and you if you did any mistake in your live theme, your website will crash or anything can happen. So if your website is live, please duplicate your theme and then add changes, and if the changes is fine, then make it live. So this is the way to add your changes on live websites themes. Now let's start the video for adding a different logo on different devices. So guys, after clicking your online store, you will see here I'm using a development store, so I can edit the live theme. Nothing will happen. So I'm clicking on three dot. You can see here the three dot. Click here and open your code editor. So click here, edit code. So after clicking your edit code, your code editor will open, and all the code is here. All the code file is here of your theme of your website. So what you need to open two files. First is header.liquid. So you can search here header. So you can see here header.liquid. So open it, and after that you need to search here setting. So after searching setting, you can see here two files, setting underscore data.json and setting underscore schema.json. So you need to open a setting underscore schema.json. So we will open it. So after opening both the file, you can see here the three dot. Click the three dot and you can see here the customize theme. Open your customizer. Open my customizer. You can see here the store name is coming, not logo. I'll upload the logo. So uploading the logo, here the setting icon, you can click here on setting icon. After clicking the setting icon, you will see here the logo accordion. Click here and you can see here the image upload option. So you can upload your logo image. I'll upload my logo image. My logo is not visible, so I will do one thing. I'll change the background color of header. So here the change color schema. So yes, so you can see here that I uploaded the image of my logo. So this is the desktop mode. When I click on mobile mode, so this is the mobile mode. So you can see here only one logo is appear both the devices, in the mobile also and in the desktop also. I will add a image option here for mobile logo. How how you can add this? Come back to the edit code option, come back to the code editor and open your setting underscore schema.json. So I already opened my setting underscore schema.json, and you can see here the logo image option, logo image schema. This is schema that define the setting of your customizer. So we have to make a one more schema for mobile devices logo. I will copy this logo schema and I will change this ID. So I will add mobile logo and click save. So after adding this schema, you can open your customizer and you can refresh. First I will save and refresh. So after reload, you can see here the logo option, which is already here, and we have added right now the logo option for mobile devices. So we will change the label of this. We'll change this to mobile logo. So we will change this label to mobile logo, and click save. So guys, after save this file, you can see here the logo option is coming by default, that is Shopify logo, and we'll add this option here, mobile logo. So we'll upload the image here. So we'll upload this image. After uploading the mobile logo, we'll check in mobile. So nothing will change. The logo is appear in mobile, its default logo of Shopify. So we will add a code for this to change this logo in mobile for mobile logo. So what we need to do, we'll go back to the edit code and we'll open header.liquid file. So I already opened this file. So what we need to do now, we need to find the logo code. So you can see here the logo code. This is the logo code and this is the image and this is the shop dot name. By default this is coming, and when we upload the logo, when the logo will show. So as for showing the mobile logo in mobile devices, now we have to do this. As for adding the mobile logo in mobile devices and desktop logo for desktop devices, we need to copy this if condition. This is the if condition, line number 155 to line number 176. Copy this and duplicate this. So this is the if condition for mobile logo, and the next if condition is for mobile logo. So I will comment here mobile logo. So now we have to do this. We have created a schema in setting underscore schema.json. So I've given a id of this schema mobile logo. So I will copy this mobile logo id and come back to header.liquid, and there is if condition in starting setting dot logo. So we will replace logo to mobile logo. So we'll replace this logo to mobile logo and setting dot mobile logo, and we will do same thing here. Line number 187 setting dot logo to replace logo to mobile logo. So setting dot mobile logo and click save. So it's after save this file, you can go your customizer and check what changes is happened. So you can see here the mobile logo is appear, but the desktop logo is also appear, and in desktop both the logo is show. So we have to hide the desktop logo for mobile devices and we have to hide the mobile logo for desktop devices. So I will add the class here. I will add a class here mobile logo, and when I will add a class here desktop logo, dex logo. After giving a class for mobile logo and desktop logo, we need to add a CSS for hiding the mobile logo and desktop logo in different devices. So I've already written the CSS. I'll paste here line number 140. I'll add a style tag and I'll paste this CSS in this style tag. So after pasting this CSS, save this file and we'll go back to the customizer and check what changes happened. So it will come here, and you can see here the desktop logo is showing in desktop devices, and when we open the mobile mode, the mobile logo is showing. We'll change the mobile logo. I will add this. So guys, you can see here the mobile logo is different and the desktop logo is different. This is how you can change your logo for different devices in mobile and desktop. So guys, if this helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want to more Shopify tips and tutorial. So guys, if you are facing any issue about implementation of this logo feature, you can contact me. My contact information in description box. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.